Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding Sqlite to your Visual Studio 2022 project. Pick Microsoft. Data, Sqlite for lightweight use or system. Data, Sqlite for ADO, NET compatibility. Once added, create or include a DB file and set copy to output directory so the file is available during runs. Next, add the using directive and store a connection string in app settings or a constant. Make sure to use a relative path for development. This prevents deployment surprises, and you can test connectivity immediately with a simple open call. Once you have the package and file, open a Sqlite connection and keep it brief. Open, execute, close. Use parameterized Sqlite command objects for inserts or updates. Why? Parameters prevent injection and handle types cleanly. For reads, call execute reader and map fields to models, reading columns by name. Make sure to wrap connections and commands in using blocks. And when performing multiple steps, use a transaction so partial changes don't persist. This ensures consistency and makes error handling straightforward. To finish, test your code by running operations against a disposable database and verify reads and writes. Once done, decide whether to bundle a pre-built DB or apply migrations at startup, and make sure file permissions are correct on the target machine so the app can write. For deployment, adjust connection paths and configuration. If something goes wrong, the most common issues are wrong paths, open locks, or mismatched connection strings. Run Pragma Quick Check and inspect locks. This single troubleshoot step often reveals the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.